Hi there, my name is Carlos, and I will be your instructor for this course on how to draw cartoon characters. I am a professional illustrator, character designer, and book author. Over the past few years, I have worked with some amazing companies, including Disney, where I had a chance to draw many well-known characters for their Lorcana project. This course is part of a special series I've created in collaboration with the Drawing American Institution, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So what this course is all about? I'll walk you through the design principles behind great cartoon and stylized characters, using techniques I've developed over the years. You'll learn how to draw faces from the front, side, and three-quarter views, and go even further by using shape psychology to add more appeal and personality to your drawings. At the end, we'll wrap it all up with best practices for drawing cartoon bodies too. The goal for this course is to give you a solid understanding of the logic behind great design, so you can make it your own. We'll keep things fun, approachable, and pack it with practical tips you can apply right away. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to level up your drawings, you're in the right place. So grab your sketchbook or tablet and let's jump in.